Welcome back to TW365 Bookkeeping. I'm Deborah, co-owner and founder of TW365 Bookkeeping, the simplest and most affordable software for small businesses. Today, I'm going to show you in this software how to show that you have paid your sales tax and or know how to pay, how much you're paying in your sales tax. So let's go to the software. As always, this is our front page. We are going to, I typically like to double check. Nope, hold on. We're going to go to the view here. Your sales tax in most areas is paid, depends on how you have it set up. I have my sales tax, retail sales tax on my products and services so that I have to pay quarterly. So if I want to look at how much I've collected in order to know how much I've owe, then I'm going to pull up my last quarter, April to June, and then I'm going to scroll down to sales tax. And this is the total dollar value that I had collected at that point in time. Now, obviously, this is a demo, so I don't have anything in there from that. So I am going to go to the whole year so that we can see that there is a dollar value in here for sales tax. So in my next quarter, so let's do that. Let's do last quarter and see what it shows up. No sales tax. Anyway, to proceed in this example, I would go by my quarter at the top there, and it will tell me how much I owe in sales tax. And that sales tax is then also based off of my revenue income for that quarter. So when you log into your government sales tax account, it will ask you questions, which is not in this bookkeeping software, but these are the numbers that you're going to need to know. How much revenue you took in, as well as how much you took in for sales tax. And when you're finished on your revenue side of your sales tax from the revenue dollar value, this sales tax that you took in should match what their math shows in that sense. When you have done all of that, you are going to come into your bookkeeping here because you now have those dollar values and go into banking transfer and show the date that you paid it. It is going to go out of my checking account. I am going to pay my sales tax. Nope, sorry, backwards. It's going out of my sales tax, and actually going to a government place. So in regards to this, I have not set this up correctly. So this is good examples for you, actually. So it can be an expense. It shows up under other, actually. So it is in here, sorry. So let's go back to here. It is coming from sales tax, and it is going to go into no, I need the account that it's going to go into. The amount, whoops, the amount that it's going to be is here, and then the description, and then you're going to record it. So I do still need to go into my accounts, and I am going to create a account um under, it's not going to be expenses, it's going to be for simplicity, in my sense, talk to your bookkeeper and accountant and find out exactly how you're going to title it. But I'm going to create one in here that says paid to state equaling retail sales tax. Whoops. Initial balance is going to be 0. But now I actually have an account, which will also give you something to track and make sure that it goes in the right places. So back to home, we're going to go back to depositing or transferring. We're going to choose our date. We're going to take it out of my bank account, and it is going to go into, let's see where we find that, paid to sales tax, because it's going to, right, I'm going to write a check or I'm going to do it online out of my bank account. So this dollar value needs to be decreased by this amount that we are here for. And we know from our previous view on reports, and I always have my other screen open of what I paid, so I don't remember what it is, but I'm going to just pull this out of my hat here. And in description, I'm going to say quarterly sales tax, and again, I'm going to put the date, or I'm going to actually put the dates that it was from. So what do we say? Whoa, come on. Um, April, well, spell correctly, April to June of 2025. Again, this is my description. You can put whatever you want to and more, etc., and all of that if you need to, and then record. And then I'm going to go into accounts just to show you again. My bank account decreased. I think I pulled it out of here, right? Quarterly sales tax was pulled out of this banking account. And it will show up into my, where did I put that? Into my liability. So the $10.54 is what I have paid. And I think this is wonderful because this will show you and keep track of how much you have paid your state in sales tax and what you have earned in that sense. So again, simplicity of TW365 bookkeeping. So here's to reaching to the sky and your next video. For more how-to videos with TW365 BK, please like and subscribe below. Also in the description is the link to TW365 Bookkeeping,